Today we are going to see about the biography of the author Robert Burns, which we saw earlier, the Red Rose Poems writer. Okay, I will ask you one question. You just think that question. Who is called as Bord of Ayrshire? And he is also called as Scotland's favourite son. Yes, it is Robert Burns. Robert Burns is called as Scotland's favourite son and Bord of Ayrshire because he is born in Alloway, Ayrshire of southwest Scotland in 1759. So southwest Scotland is the born earth of Robert Burns, and okay, he is called as Scotland's favourite son. Then who is the national poet of Scotland? Yes, of course, Robert Burns. Robert Burns is the national poet of Scotland. Yes, and his famous works, sometimes he used the traditional style of Scotland in his poems. He has written both in English as well as in Scottish dialect. First, Burns is collected Scottish folk song is Auld Lang Syne. Auld Lang Syne. He used to collect and preserve them. And his famous works were poems chiefly in the Scottish dialect in 1786, Tam O'Shanter 1791, a selected collections of original Scottish Irish 1793. These are the three important works. These are collections. From that we can see many poems he has completed. And then the first edition, the 1786 edition, that the poems chiefly in the Scottish dialect, it was edited 5 times during his lifetime with numerous additions and corrections on each occasion. That poem, that collections is known as Burns Kilmarnock. Burns Kilmarnock volumes, that is a poem chiefly in the Scottish dialect, is also known as Burns Kilmarnock volume. So that volume was a mixture of several poems, Scots poems such as the Tar Dogs and the Holy Fair, To a Loose, To a Mouse, The Death and Dying, An Address to the Dale, and Dying words of Poor Miley, Scotch Drink. So these are the famous collection. These are the poems which was written and published as in a volume that is edited as the Kilmarnock volume. And then next, Burns' important works is, that second important works is Tam O'Shanter. In Tam O'Shanter, it is a verse tale. It is a verse tale that depicted Tam's escape from witches. So Tam was that the character was escaped from the witches. It was written in 8-syllable couplet. It is based on folk theme. And then he wrote numerous collection poems, that is his selected collections of original Scottish airs. So his important works, that is his best work of Burns, were almost lyrical in motive. So his famous works were written in the lyrical motive. And he used numerous and pathos in his works. Famous works of Robert Burns is that two two poems is a famous work, that is chiefly in the Scottish dialect poems, that collection of poems is 1786 and the Tam O'Shanter 1791, and that last one which was published in that year 1793, that they selected collections of original Scottish airs is not only his work, it is a combined collections of work. But Robert Burns has contributed 100 songs to this collections. This collections was edited, or it is a multi-volume collection in a Scottish song. It was published by the musician, that is George Thomson. After a poet's death, after Robert Burns' death, he got that 100 poems and then he published it. The first volume was appeared in 1793, so only it is considered as 1793. And then after, but Robert Burns has written the Red Red Rose on 1794. The Red Red Rose is also a Scottish ballad. So after that, after the death of the author, he has collected many poems, that is 100 songs of Robert Burns, and he published in his work, that is a collection of a selected collection of original Scottish airs. And then Tam O'Shanter, I told it is about the character of a Tam, one who escapes from witches. It is also edited many times, different times, that is in the first edition, the third edition is 1793. On the morning of 21st July 1796, Burns died in the Dumfries at the age of 37.